All right, so y'all might have put my stuff away, try to organize everything, and get everything together. So we're gonna start by putting the dog stuff away. Melly, help me put the dog stuff away, please. Here. No, Melly, we're not giving it to them. Woo, there's a mess in here. Go. Oh, it's okay. Good job, Melly. Thank you. And close it. Okay. Thank you. All right, y'all. I'm gonna take this apart. And I hope it works out the way I want it to. I wouldn't be mad if it don't. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Oh, look at that. See right here. Lady, please move, ma'am. So I put this right here. And this little stuff. Uh-oh. This up here. Right here. I'm gonna put this in here. Alright, so all this stuff under here, I'm going to try to organize. Because it's
Bye. Bye.
Yes. Girl, come on, so you gotta cut that thing off. This always turns into Mel's vlog. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Got my trash bags over there, all the stuff that we use in the front, and then my soap. I need to get a new one of those, and then all my grease, and I still have stuff right here. I really think what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna put some of my stuff that's in my laundry room, I think I'm gonna put that stuff right here, because I have the space for it now. So, some of my cleaning stuff. I need to show y'all the door. So there go the door, that's what that looks like, and then my little bag thing that my mom got me is right here. It's like packed with bags, but that is perfect. Let's see if this closes though. Nope. Okay, so some of this stuff I'm about to throw away because we don't use it. We don't need it. It's just kind of back there. Up a row. So let's see if it'll close. Voila! Okay. Yay! I'm happy. I like it. So for this cabinet up here, cause like, I don't know, when we moved in, I was like, this is really, it's just like weird. Like, it's just, that's a big space. Like, ridiculously big space. So, yeah, look at mommy. Look, she coming creeping in here, look at that. She's like, I want to see what you did. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's organize, don't it? I'm gonna get this daggone house together. I'm over it. Got to. That's a good idea. Yeah. That's what I said. I'm like, that's cute. Okay, so we're gonna put this stuff up there. I think Mel is gonna have a whole row. I think that's what I'm really thinking about doing. Because whoosh. Alright, let's see. Oh. Okay. Melly, don't even think about it.
Mommy.
No, ma'am.
Mommy.
No, ma'am.
Mommy.
No, ma'am.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hi, boo.
Mommy.
Mama, you're not coming up here now.
Mommy.
No, ma'am.
Mommy.
Okay.
Down.
I'm about to come down. Hold on.
Okay. Down.
I'm coming, girl.
Okay.
already organized my stuff. All of Mel's little puff containers are right there. Cups that we really don't use like that up there. And then stuff that we do use and Mel's stuff is right there. Cups that we use and Mel's stuff is right there. And our plates, they dirty right now, but we're going to put them up there. Right here. Then these all of our bowls and plates. So that's perfect. I love it. Right now, this is kind of what my little thing is looking like. And it's just not giving. I'm sorry. So we're going to redo this. This all my little gold stuff. Mommy's little cupcake. But this all my little gold stuff right here. I don't even like these little salt and pepper shakers anymore because they're not gold. They're like a rose gold or bronze type of thing. This blue can gets on my freaking nerves. I think I'm going to actually put it in the cabinet because it just does not flow. It does not flow. Okay. So yeah, we're going to put that up there. There we go. Okay. I'm trying to think how I want to do it. This I definitely want to get rid of because it's silver. It just does not go. This definitely does match, but I want to use my new candle. So I'll put this somewhere else. Probably in our bathroom. And then this is just an extra container I need to do something with. This is my decanter that I've literally never used. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. And then this is the vase that my mom got me. I think what I'm going to do is, I think when I get real flowers, I think I'm going to put those in here. Because they're just really, really pretty. I don't know where this screw came from. Let's just put it right there. Okay. This thing right here, just, I don't know. Like, it just, it doesn't stay on home. I be wanting it to stay on home. It goes right back to like,
Mommy, hey,
I don't know. All right, we're gonna wipe this thing off. I love my little tray. This tray is so pretty.
Mommy.
Sticky and all. Yes, ma'am. Ta-da! You're hilarious. Okay. So I do need to get some pampas flowers for this vase. But we're gonna put that right there. That's no. Y'all excuse my child. And then we'll put that right there. Nelly! And then I think I'm gonna put this right here. And put the candle back here. I don't know. Maybe I'll put this over in the corner and put this back here like that. That right there and that right there. Because I got to put my pumpkin somewhere, y'all. Uh-oh. And y'all got glitter. It's glittery. So I need to put it like, I think I'm gonna put it like that. I think I like that and put that right there. Let's turn this around. Yes, there we go. I'm gonna get some little pampas flowers to put in here and some flowers to put in there as well. All right, yeah, so I'm gonna put these up here. All right, so y'all look at these. They're pretty. They're just very bright. So I'm gonna put them up here. Y'all, now I'm looking at them. I don't know if I like them. I feel like they look kind of cheesy. To be very transparent with y'all. I don't know how I feel about that junk. I don't know.
Bye.
I'm gonna ask my mother when she comes in here. And I'm gonna put my daggone rug down and Mel took. There you go. Give my rug, you little thief. Give my rug. You gotta get it all. That's not yours. This is trash. Gucci chewed it the up. Mel, stop it. What are you doing? Mel. Mel. Girl, get my rug. Mama. Oh my God. Y'all know we're not getting my rug. She won't give me my rug. Matt, whatever it's called. Alright, I'm about to work on something else since she won't give me my stuff. Alright, y'all, so I'm in Mel's room, so I'm about to... Alright, y'all, so literally I'm about to just dump all this stuff in here. I wish I could, like, organize them, but I'm not. I'm about to just dump it. I'm not doing it. Y'all see all them barrettes and stuff? Barrettes and whatnot. Ain't that crazy? That's a lot, right? Yeah, I know. But y'all know I be doing her hair and stuff, so I just wanted something that could actually close. And I was thinking about actually putting her her hair products in here, like her grease and all that type of stuff. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. And her brushes and combs. Let's see. Yes, yes, mother, yes. Huh? No. You're the one that always go in this drawer, and now I gotta close it. Okay. There we go. Put all her stuff. That's not gonna fit. Okay. Put all her stuff in here like that. So that if I need to just take all her stuff and go to another room to do her hair, I could do that. I think that'll work a lot easier. Mel, what are you doing? See, y'all, this is what I be talking about. Mel, go color. Go color, man. No. They're sitting up there, and then all of her bows are in here. This thing right here. And then there's some more bows right here, but most of her bows are in here. Yeah, so I am done with my kitchen for the most part, pretty much. But I love this. I think it's really cute. Once I get my little flowers and stuff, then I'll come back and I'll show y'all all that stuff. But I'm going to put these, I think, in the family room or living room, whatever you want to call it. Or I might put it up on the bar. I'm not sure. I need to tackle that bar for real, because that bar, this bar right here, boy, this bar be killing me. This is really like Onyx's thing. That's why I don't really touch it. But it's starting to get out of hand. It's bothering me. So I think I'm about to do this. It is nice and clean, all done. Now look at lady. She always outside sunbathing. It be cracking me up. Okay, so y'all, for his stuff over here, like all his little grill stuff and all of that, I'm gonna use these clear bins that I took from under the stand crooked. That I took from under the sink, and I'm gonna put his stuff in there to try to organize it because it looks crazy. So I know it really don't look organized, but it's actually very organized. All his grill stuff is in there, and then all his tools and extra stuff is in there. And then that's like his little grill caddy that I got for him, and his protein and charcoal. So yeah. And then his grill his bar is nice and clean. So that's perfect. Yeah, so I had a big old roaster right here. I just moved that because it's taking up space literally. So I'm finally getting my stuff together. I do need to move that and that. That smells little lollipop. But everything is coming together, y'all. I'm excited. And I need to move that. And then, and of course, all that stuff right there. But I do want to get this under here together real quick. And then I'm going to call it a night. And that's it for this vlog, y'all. Once I get this together, y'all. Excuse Mel, because she playing with her little car. Mel, you got a car? Yes. Okay. Stop, girl, before you break the tile. What you doing? And excuse my dogs. Oh, my gosh. They just all in the way. All right. We about to get to it, y'all. Done. I know it's a bunch of colors down there, but everything is nice and organized. And then at the bottom, it's nice and organized as well. Let the fear the daft into architect Oh my god, y'all, I am finally done and I love my kitchen. I'm about to show y'all the finished product and then I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.